How to save Google Docs to your computer. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about. So this is a very simple process, guys. So let me explain you. So let me start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I am on my Google Chrome browser. I just log in with my account. You need to just log in with your account. Now you can go to the Google Drive. Just open that Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive basically storage facility for your all Google application or documents. When you create any like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide, or Google Form, it is only saved in Google Drive. So Google Drive basically a storage platform to your Google documents. So from here you can download your documents like Google Document, Google Sheet, and any other documents from Google. So if you want to download documents only, just search here or filter here only for documents, or you can simply type colon documents. You can see all your documents here. If you want to download your documents in Word format, then just go this three dot option and download it. It is download as a word format or docs format, you can see. Or if you want to download as a other format like PDF, just open that document by double click on it and just go to the file and go to the download, and you can download as a PDF and any other format if you want. You can also download as a web page. Okay, so this is how you can download your documents by using the Google Drive. But if you want to download your documents from Google Docs, you can simply log in with your account. Just go to this menu or app icon and find out the documents application. Then you can see all your documents here. This is individual documents, Google Documents application. From here also you can download. Just open that down documents and you can download same as I show you. Okay, you can download as any format. You can also download in documents, Word format, PDF format, TXT format, and zip format. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.